Good evening, everyone. Happy New Year's. Today we're going to talk about Marathon Patent Group. I recently did a trade on this. If you want to know, the ticker symbol is MARA. I was looking for a trade, a stock in particular, something that was similar to Riot. So I was looking, found this company, Marathon Patent Group, and I was like, hey, it's moving similar to Riot. So I was like, hey, let me try and do a trade on it. I also have some shares in it as well. So I'll show you the trade now. And it took about 10 minutes total from start to finish. So I put it in a limit order at 4.25. And when it filled, I then put in a limit order to sell at 4.95. And then I pocketed the difference. And all of that within 10 minutes. Let's go here to the stock. Let's see what time this was. I put in a limit buy order at 9:41. So let's go to 9:41 right here. Let's see. I don't think it'll give me 41. Okay, 9:40. So it's at 25.51. So call it $25.50 roughly. And then it sold. Let's see here. I put in the limit order to sell at 9:47, but it filled at 9:51. So let's go back to it here. Okay, so right here it was already at 26.85 cents. Should have held it longer, but I wasn't planning on staying in it long. I just wanted to pretty much scalp it. And I'd rather take a little bit of profit than risk not making any profit at all or risk losing it. Now, some people would have held on to it because it wasn't, as you can see, it wasn't expiring at the end of that date. It was expiring on the 15th. Let me show you where it is here. This is the expiration date. And this is the strike price here. And then this C right here lets you know that it's a call. So you're betting on it going up. If it was a P there, that's a put, betting on it going down. But I don't really deal with puts because I feel like it's more risk involved with puts. And you really got to know what you're doing. Not that I can't do it. It's just I choose not to. I'd rather deal with a call. If anything, I just lose whatever value that I put in. So that's what I'd rather deal with. Now, what kind of drew me to it, I was reading several articles. This one is a article here. Who's the author here? I forget who the author is. But anyways, yeah, going through it, they give you their little breakdown. This I wasn't so much concerned about with because I know most companies are not going to sit there and try and mine without being profitable. You have to have some profitability or in the near future know that you're going to profit. Otherwise, you're not going to make it that far, especially with these miners because the miners take up so much electricity and they generate so much heat. So you definitely got to be profitable. They had a partnership with this company called Beowulf Energy, which owns over 2.3 gigawatts. So I saw that as a positive. And then I also was thinking, okay, there has to be a break-even point or a price point that they were trying to target. Let me see if I can go here and find it. Oh, wait. Before that, they were to deploy 11,500 S19 Pro Antminers. I saw on Riot's website they had some Antminers too that they were going to deploy. And everybody was referring to deploying it around January 2021. So I was like, man, this stock's going to run up, especially if Bitcoin goes up. So that's why I did a call option on it. Let's go down here. Oh, okay. Their reference point right here. You can read through this article too. I found this one off of Seeking Alpha. Their reference price is 18,000 per BTC. And then it goes through over some more. And then right down here, their analysis looking forward. As well positioned to climb alongside rising Bitcoin prices supported by positive sentiment and accelerating momentum in the asset class. You gotta love it. So it's many ways to make money. You don't have to just, focus on the digital currency itself. There's stocks that I'm not going to say mimic it, but there are stocks that are affected by it. And two of them are Riot and Marathon. And I actually have shares in both. I wish I would have bought more, but that's how it goes sometimes. And if you look back here, could have held that even longer, and it's still going up. Well, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know your thoughts. Later.